Welcome to my channel, your channel. I am Susie by name. On my YouTube official handle is Susie Global Concept. So welcome to Susie Global Concept YouTube channel, your channel as well. So this morning we are going to the stream together, and I'm going to carry you guys along. So here is my clothes. Like, I'm going to make it round. So I'm going to be wrapping it around like this. So I'm going to be using the scarf to cover it, because so that by the time I'm lifting load on my head, it do not fall.
Hey, Kirisimesi Rotunde. Oh na 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 na. It's the time of the year when we all celebrate. Mothers and fathers, sisters and brothers, all as one. The King in the manger, King in our hearts, Jesus the Son, yeah. Calm and lonely, pure and holy, humble and mild. Hey, we go de nya 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 nya. Oh na 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 na. It is Christmas time. Nya 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 nya. 'Cause it is Christmas. Everybody all around the world. Yeah 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 yeah. 'Cause it is.
So we are going down to the stream. So I'm going to be leaving my slippers here, so that it's healing place. That'll be easy to climb up. So today is all about village life. Let's see. There are houses around here. I see how sloppy it is. So I'm going to be going down here. You can see. So let's go down. You can see there are houses around. So need to be careful while going down, so I don't fall. So you can see where we are coming from. Up like this. My house is in the other, is at the up there. So it's time for us to go down. Need to be careful. Yeah. So I'm going to be climbing this up with load. So I'm going to be packing sand. And yeah, cool sand, very cool. Yes, the river goes down here. This side is banana. This is cassava plants. Let me look for where I can get sand to pack. This is sand I use for my carrots, to plant my carrots. Very friendly, very cool. Makes the carrots to grow very fast. So I should drain the water. So I'm going to fill up the bucket because you can see it's broken, so that the water will not be dripping on me. So I'm going to be carrying my packer as well. I will not leave it here, so another person will not come and pick it up. So I'm going to be jacking up this bucket. So here we go. So I'm going to be climbing this hill in place. So I need to be careful while climbing. So this is cassava plant as well. So climb here gently. So let's go. I see the place is quite hilly. I'm going to be climbing this staircase. So you can see where we are coming out from. Yeah. So here we go. Yeah. Still be going back again, I need to fill up that bag. Fill up the bag. going to be filling up in the bag.